Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill, top 6 teeth. This is gold plated over 925, solid sterling silver, two-tone with the yellow border and the white dust in the middle. Beautiful handmade grills, guys. This is the back side. Alright, now this here is handmade to fit perfectly. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. The way it works is you order on our website, we send you a mold kit, you bite down on it, and you send it back to us. And then a custom piece like this one is made to fit on your teeth. Perfect. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. It really helps out a lot. Again, thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.